In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to WordPress in just about 5 minutes. This tutorial is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring that by the end you'll have Klaviyo seamlessly integrated with your WordPress site. First off, let's dive into why you'd want to connect Klaviyo to your WordPress site. Klaviyo is an incredibly powerful marketing automation platform that, when linked with WordPress, can enable you to send highly targeted emails, create specialized marketing campaigns, and gather insightful data on your site's visitors. So, whether you're looking to enhance your email marketing strategy or just get more out of your website analytics, this integration is a great place to start. Let's begin the process by heading over to Klaviyo's website. Here, you'll see the option to log in. If you haven't already, take this moment to create an account with Klaviyo or simply log in if you already have one. Entering your email and password will grant you access to Klaviyo's dashboard, a central hub where all the magic happens. Once logged in, the next step is to navigate through Klaviyo's dashboard to find the integration section. This section is designed to allow you to connect Klaviyo with a multitude of services and platforms, including, most importantly for us, WooCommerce, a popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. In the integrations section, you'll see an option to add new integrations. Clicking this will present you with a search bar where you can type in WooCommerce to find the specific integration we're looking for. Upon locating the WooCommerce integration, you'll see an install button. Clicking this will initiate the integration process, a crucial step towards linking Klaviyo with your WordPress site. The next prompt will ask you to connect to WooCommerce. This connection bridges Klaviyo and your specific WordPress website, ensuring that the data flow between your site and Klaviyo's marketing tools is seamless and efficient. However, before moving forward, it's essential to ensure you're logged into your WordPress account, as this will be necessary for the following steps. Upon clicking Connect to WooCommerce, you'll be directed to log into your WordPress account. It's a simple step but vital for verification purposes and granting the necessary permissions for Klaviyo to access your website data. This integration allows Klaviyo to track visitor behavior on your site, enabling the powerful analytics and personalized marketing capabilities it's known for. Once you've logged into your WordPress account, you've essentially crossed the finish line. The integration process is complete, and Klaviyo is now connected to your WordPress site. This connection opens up a wealth of possibilities for you to explore, from creating sophisticated email marketing campaigns based on user behavior on your site, to analyzing detailed analytics, to fine-tune your marketing strategy further. Before we conclude, a few additional tips to make the most out of your Klaviyo integration. 1. Take some time to familiarize yourself with Klaviyo's dashboard. Exploration is key to discovering all the features and tools that now lie at your fingertips, ready to elevate your marketing efforts. 2. Consider creating segments within Klaviyo. These allow you to group your site visitors based on their behavior, enabling you to send highly targeted emails that resonate with each group's specific interests and actions. 3. Lastly, keep an eye on the analytics. The data you'll now have access to is golden, providing insights that can help you continually optimize your marketing campaigns and website experience. Integrating Klaviyo with your WordPress site is a significant first step towards leveraging the power of email marketing and analytics. With Klaviyo now connected, the door is open for you to explore its wide array of features designed to enhance your marketing strategy and grow your online presence. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to connect Klaviyo to WordPress. We've covered a lot of ground in just a few minutes, but remember, the real work begins with experimenting and utilizing Klaviyo's features to their fullest. Here's to making your marketing efforts more effective and insightful than ever before.